Some utility names in particular, like Vistra and Constellation Energy, are getting attention for being in the red on today's strong tape. In fact, the utility sector is up 35%, the XLU year on year, but there are some signs now that trade could be overextended. Joining us to talk more about that is Katie Stockton, founder and managing partner of Fairlead Strategies. I was just talking about you, Katie, and with regards to NVIDIA, but in the energy trade in particular, what are you looking for here?
Well, we moved from an overweight position or recommendation to an equal weight one, so not a big call. But listen, I mean, it's had such a good run. It is the top performer as of Q3. And year to date, it's just a close runner-up to technology and communication services, which, of course, have benefited from the mega cap leadership. So we feel that the utility sector is poised for consolidation at a very minimum in here. XLU had broken out to a new high, and that is a bullish long-term development. But you can see on the chart that the up move is really very steep. And now it shows signs of exhaustion based on our overbought, oversold metrics, both on the daily charts and the weekly charts. That means short to intermediate term. So we're more comfortable with an equal weight or perhaps an underweight stance here in the near term as those gains are digested.
Would there be any trading recommendation for those who might, I don't know if they'd be tempted to short something quite like this, like a steam train or a freight train, but what would the trade be here with regards to the XLU?
We generally don't make short recommendations for things that are near or at all-time highs. It's usually against our better judgment, especially utilities, which have such a good yield to them typically. But if somebody does think that yields are going to continue higher from here, we think they continue higher near term, but not over the coming months. We're actually looking for 10-year yields to top out sort of in the low fours and head down to the low threes. So with that in mind, utilities will have their turn again in terms of relative performance. But for someone who thinks that yields may just continue to go higher, well, then they may consider actually reducing exposure just to the utility sector more broadly, because utilities tend to underperform in that environment.
Katie, we have to go, but are you bearish? I mean, I'm hearing consolidation on NVIDIA, consolidation on the XLU, and the 10-year heading into the threes? Those sound like storm clouds practically.
Yeah, storm clouds, that would be pretty accurate. We're neutral, both short-term and long-term in our research, and neutral usually doesn't satisfy anyone, but truly our indicators are supporting consolidation, meaning more sideways, but choppy price action, perhaps instilled by NVIDIA. NVIDIA has a good triangle breakout that's a short-term positive, but it still has signs of exhaustion longer term.
Yeah.
So we don't think the mega caps will be the contributors that they were certainly in the first half.
All right. Maybe leadership will change, but it's a tall order. Katie, thank you. We appreciate it today.